Good day, happy travelers. Today we are talking about how to save a considerable amount of money on a cruise. And this is a day and age right now where cruises are typically at capacity or nearing capacity. And, well, frankly, deals are a little hard to come by as of late. Today we're going to talk about how to get a deal and deals on Princess Cruises. Now, if you missed the video I made about how to get a good deal on Disney Cruise, maybe you got some kids and maybe Princess wouldn't be super fun, I'll post a video to that right here. But let's talk about Princess. Now, what if I told you that you can get a cruise, look at this price right here, $3,200 per person, so it's be about what, $6,400 for two, obviously elevated if you have more than that, but let's just do double occupancy. What if I told you that you can get that cruise $3,200 and essentially knock $3,000 off that price? You'd be like, you're lying. You're obviously lying. No, if you become a travel agent, there is a travel agent perk called the Princess Free Cruise. Let me show you the price first. There it is right there, $220 per person. You're like, all right. I'll listen to you if I'm saving $3,000. Well, first of all, can you take a 20-day vacation? Me, not yet. Soon. I might be able to do it, but not yet. I gotta wait for my kid to graduate. But there's other examples here. There's several of these cruises are thousands of dollars. 18 days to Greenland, which is in the news a lot lately. South America, 20 days for $500. So there's a lot of other, you don't have to just go Japan, but this is the free cruise. So, all right, and then some of these are sold out, but it gives you examples of what's available. And you don't have to do a mega cruise. I'm saving my free cruise for, look at this, 21-day best of Mediterranean. Actually, team, that's what I'm holding out on. I'm holding out on when I can take a 21-day cruise, and I'm going to try to do it next year. Oh, okay. So let's get back to it. How do you get a free cruise? So first, we're going to talk about the term becoming a travel agent. Technically, anybody can become a travel agent. I have a day job. I'm not day-to-day travel agent. If somebody says, hey, can you help me book a travel? I can, I do. But I have a day job. I do something completely other than travel. My head's always in travel, though, if you pay attention to my videos. But many of the companies that do travel, Disney, Royal Caribbean even offers deals. Look at this right here, Royal Caribbean. If they're not selling out on their cruises, they give you deep discounts. Here's a 12-day British Isle cruise. It's like $50 per person per day. Do the math. So if you got two people in a room, $100 times 12, that's a $1,200 cruise. And if you look it up right now, 12 days, that cruise is easily, well, a lot more than $1,200. Anyway, so what I'm saying is everybody offers discounts to travel agents when there's capacity to do so, because the travel agents get on their ship and they speak very kindly of the product and go back and they're able to be more knowledgeable about the experience. So the discounts and incentives are there. Now, the term that I'm going to introduce to you today, and you Google it, do your own research, find a person. If you don't have experience, the term you might want to look for is host travel agency. And you got to build your business case. Is it free to become a travel agent? No. Is it free to travel? No. This business case can make traveling less expensive if you do enough of it. So here's the term here. Here's some words for you to reading. It's called I call a business case because I'm in a business. So you gotta, if you're making it a purchase, are you going to get back to it what you put into it? So there's all sorts of companies out there. Again, Google the term host travel agency. And the fees vary. My research shows that if you spend $50 a month on a host travel agency, they'll give you 50% commission. If you spend 60, they give you 60, 70, so it's kind of the linear equation, and the prices and fees change. But later on, as you discuss with them, they'll tell you how much it is to cost. These are the fees, by the way, with no experience at all, none. You've been, working at a factory making cars, and you just want to be a travel agent. I will tell you that if you get experience, the fees you can get picked up by other companies, And as long as you want to shift more to the day-to-day job as a travel agent, the fees go down. So right now I'm in a company where I pay about $80 a month, and that's just it. That's tax deductible for me, and I get 80% of my commission, and that's kind of, and I'm happy with that. Now down here you're going to see my business case. Am I getting what I need to essentially justify $1,000? So as I mentioned earlier, I get Disney benefits. So I get 1 week a year of 50% off a Disney World rate. Well, I used it at Beach Club. It was a $5,000 room. I saved 25. Boom, I'm already in the plus. I also I get a discounted Disney cruise. Actually, I kind of get two if one's available. One's really discounted, like 80, 90% off. The other is about 30 to 50, maybe 60% off. Anyway, I saved $1,100 there. So I'm already like in the plus some of the commission I made on my own personal sailings as well. So that's what you need to do. If you're not doing this much travel, becoming a host travel agent has zero benefits. Now what I'm holding out on is one of those cruises, and maybe 2025, maybe probably more or less 2026 is the year to become a travel agent. So again, just to show you, this is a one-time thing. I don't get a free cruise every year, but if you have a good host travel agency, you can get things called travel advisor rates. These are a little bit more widely available. Right now, my team has about 50 of these, and the rates are not horrible. It's deeply discounted. I would say on the tune of 50% off, but here it is right here. 50 travel agent, sometimes it's 99, sometimes it's 10, but what Princess does is every time your agency that you're affiliated with sells a Princess room, after you book 10, you get a discount. So anyway, that is, I'm telling you right here, there you go, $3,200 on a cruise to Japan. You can get it for $220 per person, $440. So this $6,600 room, $440. Again, go out and Google search host travel agencies. If you have any questions, want to talk to me about it, I'll put my intake form if you want to talk to me about my host agency that I work with. And hey, even if it doesn't work for you, at least you get the confirmation that it doesn't work for you. And as we say in the travel industry, that's all that matters. Did you research it? If it makes sense, do it. And if it doesn't make sense, well, until next time. Hey, hope this video helps. Travel safe.